Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to make these low poly trees for your game. Super easy to make and very stylish. Let's start by opening Blender. If you do not have it, you can go to their download page with the link in the description. Delete the camera and light and select the cube. Click Tab to go into Edit mode. Now right-click and select Merge Vertices from the drop-down bar. Press numpad 1 to go into side view, and then press E to extrude. Now make branches like I do. Click on previously made vertices to make branches. This tree looks a little flat. Select some branches and press R and then Z to rotate them. Now press G to grab and position the branches till they look natural. We want some volume to the branches, so click on the blue wrench icon and click on Add Modifier. Now select Skin Modifier. Now select the vertices on the very end of your branches with right-click. Press the little ball for viewport mode to see what's going on inside the branches. When they're selected, press Alt+A and scale them down like I do. Then select the vertices inside the branches and scale them down until you get a shape you like. Let's make the leaves. Add an icosphere and set the subdivisions to 3 in this menu in the corner. Click on this icon here to use proportional editing. Now press G to grab the vertices of the ball and move them around with your mouse. Right-click and select Shade Smooth to hide the edges. Press D to duplicate and make more leaf balls for variation. Now place them on the branches of your tree. Use R to rotate, S to scale, and G to move the leaves around to make them fit the tree. You can use a subdivision surface if you want, but I won't for the purpose of this video. When you're done, there are 2 ways to color the tree. The first way is to color them in Studio. Select everything by holding down Shift, press File, Export, and FBX. Under Include, limit to selected objects. Make sure to save your game. Now click on View and then Asset Manager. Click on Bulk Import. Select your file and open. Make sure only these 2 boxes are selected. Now color them as you want, and voila. For the more professional method, hop into Blender and click on UV Editing. Open a color scale image. You can screenshot mine here. Click Open and select your color scale image. Select all the leaves and press numpad 1 for side view. Press Tab for Edit Mode and press A to select all vertices. Press U and click on Project from View. Move over to the image and press A and then G to grab to move the vertices to the color you want. Now press S for Scale. Press this icon here for viewport shading and then move down to the red materials icon. Click New and then press this little green icon and select Image Texture. Click this image icon and select your image. Now click on every part of the tree and add your new material like I do here. Now choose a color for your tree trunk. For the birch version of the tree, navigate to the blue wrench icon and click on Add Modifier. Select Triangulate and click Apply. Now select some of the triangles. When you're done, right-click and select Separate, then from Selection. Go back to UV editing and make the tree trunk white and the triangles black. Finally, import them to Roblox Studio like I showed you earlier. Group and anchor the trees and we're done. Here is the result. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another one. Cheers.